Hi, Assalamualaikum to Madam Alijah and to everyone. Today we will present our product pitching based on the business model canvas. So this is our team members. So this is business model canvas BMC. So have you ever feel hungry during class or work and needed a quick snack? So that is where NZ Crunchies come in. Today we are proud to present our product NZ Crunchies, a crispy and enjoyable snack suitable for any time of the day. In today's lifestyle, snacking is very common, especially among students and office workers who need something convenient and come in a variety of exciting flavor to suit different tastes, including cheese, chocolate, seaweed teriyaki, tom yum seafood, family settle 8, and golden settle 8. NZ Crunchy solve this by offering a crunchy and tasty snack at only RM8.19.
Value position. Our product offer extra crunchy taste, affordable student-friendly price, halal and safe, convenient packaging. Our packaging is easy to carry, suitable for the student, families, and office worker. Customer segmentation. Our target customer are students, families, and office worker. Student is our main focus because they prefer affordable snack with a good taste. Now I will pass to Aika.
Thank you, Fizi. Now, I will talk about channels. We sell and promote NZ Crunchies through social media such as Instagram, TikTok and WhatsApp, and direct selling, which is cash on deliveries COD. We also use social media that help us reach more customers quickly and at low cost. For customer relationship, we maintain good relationship by fast response service, friendly communication, accepting customer feedback, offering bundle promotion, good customer service help us build trust and encourage repeat purchase. Now I will pass to David.
Now, I will present about revenue streams. Our revenue comes mainly from direct product sales. We also generate income through bundle promotion and cash on delivery payments. This strategy helps us increase our total sales and attract more customers. Next is key resources. Our key resources include our packaging supplier, online platform, and good and disciplined workers. The product supplier ensure we have enough store to sell. Social media help us promote to NZ Crunchies efficiently, and our team members plays an important role in managing sales and customer service. These resources are important to ensure our business runs smoothly. Next, key activities. Our main activities include product sourcing from supplier, social media marketing to promote our snacks, and managing customer order and delivery. Next, key partnership. Our key partner are product supplier, delivery service, and online platforms. This partnership help our business run smoothly and efficiently. Last one is cost structures. Our main costs include product purchasing costs, packaging costs, marketing expenses, and delivery fees. Conclusion. In conclusion, NZ Crunchies is suitable for students, families, and office workers. It is affordable, tasty, and high demand snacks. The business model canvas BMC help explain how the business works. With good social media marketing, strong suppliers, and good cost control, NZ Crunchy has high potential to grow as a successful digital business. That's all with us. Thank you so much.